Hey, what's up? It's Ruben Escalante, and in this week's tutorial, we're going to go over Photoshop Mix. For this project, you're going to need to get a photo of either yourself or somebody else, and a second image, preferably a location, but it could literally be anything. So start by clicking on the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. Click where it says Images. Now click on My Phone, and then Recently Added. Now you're going to want to select the first photo that you're choosing to work on for this project. Click on Cutout and then Smart, and you want to make sure that you click on the Subtract button. Now you're just going to start erasing the entire background, only leaving your subject in the picture. Now I'm going to select Basic and Erase to get rid of any jagged edges or any leftover pieces of the background that I want to erase. I'm going to fast forward this process. Know that the longer you take on removing the fine lines and edging around the subject, the better your photo will look. Now I'll click on the plus sign and Images to find your second photo. If your first image is behind your background image, you could literally just drag it above the background image. Place your first image wherever you want it in the background image. Then crop around your image. Once you're finished with your project, hit share and then camera roll, and your project will be saved directly to your camera roll. This week I'm going to ask you to create a bunch of projects, and just remember to have fun and be creative. I'll end this tutorial with showing examples of projects that I used on Photoshop Mix.